Jack Goulding, congratulations. You made heavy enough weather of it, Jack, didn't you?
We did, yeah, we did. We were a bit sluggish in the first half. We gave a lot of frees. We let them get ahead of us. They got a couple of goals, but I think we worked very hard. We had a great team spirit and kind of got the goals at the right time, you know.
And when Michael Boland got his second goal, how important was it for Shane to get back straight away and get you back into the game?
Vital. If they had got the next score, maybe they would have pulled away. But thank God we got that goal straight away. We bounced back well, and I think we really kicked on from there, yeah.
Getting up this morning, you were, I think, 10-1 on favourites to win today. Did that get into the players' heads? Were you a little bit complacent?
No, I don't think so. I think we were, the last couple of weeks after we beat Meath, we knew that Wicklow are a good side. We knew that that'd be a very tough game, so we were well prepared. We didn't take these for granted at all, and just they just got the better start, and thank God we came back into it and we won. I suppose it's great to win it.
And this particular cup, the McGilligan Cup, it's a Kerry Mandas called after. It's important, isn't it, for yourselves as a Kerry team?
A man from Lixna, yeah. So we considered that as well throughout the week, and that really, I think that was another motivation, yeah.
All right, go hard because that is to left na himara agus Ronan Hearn of Laoch Isha Det and shall grad am left na himara from Jack Goulding.